Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty, and today I wanted to give you guys 3 ways to wear a berry lip. September has hit, October is basically here, and all I can think about is a deep berry lip. So the first way I want to wear it is on my cheeks. And I think that this gives the most gorgeous, like cold winter flush. I mean, I'm in Austin, Texas, so we're not really gonna get that cold winter flush. Right now I have on some concealer, a little bit of powder, and mascara. And so I am going to take my MAC lipstick in Diva, and I wanted to grab this one because I feel like it's a cult classic and everybody has something this color, and maybe we were a little bit nervous to wear it, so I'm gonna take my glasses off. I like to put this straight on my face, but if you would rather, you can gooey it up on your finger and warm it up. So I'm gonna show you both versions of that. So I do a kind of a weird, like I'm gonna do a kissy face, but also smile. Starting off small because it is a little bit harder to blend depending on the lipstick that you pick. And then you just blend it in with your finger. Again, start small or start light, and you can always build it up to what you like. So that's version 1. The second version, I'm going to smear on my finger a little bit, warm it up, and then put it directly on. I feel like this kind of gives me more of a flush than the other side, but maybe I just put too much on. Never too much blush though. So to even them out, right, and I want this to be like a really, like this is the focus of my face. I'm not gonna wear any bright color on my lip, I'm just gonna do a gloss. And then I like to take the foundation brush that I've used all over my face and just tap it so that you're blending the edges. I'm already sweating, great. Again, my background is because of school, so this is not my favorite way to do videos, but alas, we are here. Okay, so there's my berry flush, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of lip gloss on, and that will be my look for today. All right, the lip gloss I am using is the Milani Keep It Full in Rosy Bronze. And these are slight dupes for the Fenty Gloss Bombs. Ooh, I love that sound. So really simple, but an easy way to use berry on the face for the fall. Okay, so for look 2, I have added a little bit of bronzer here to bronze up the look a little bit, warm it up. And the second way I'm going to use berry lips is I'm actually gonna use that same Diva lipstick, and I'm going to start it on the inside of my lips. Then I'm gonna feather it out so it becomes more of a stain. Then what you can do is take a little bit of toilet paper, napkin, a piece of paper, and you're just gonna blot that so that it is very subtle. And you can even go lighter than this if you'd like. But I like that this gives like a nice little stain. You can put gloss over this, you can put chapstick over this so that it's still moisturized, but you have that little hint of berry coming through. Okay, and the final way is just full on bold, and I'm going to use a different lipstick, one of my favorite formulas ever. It's the Maybelline Matte Ink, and this one is in Founder, number 115. This is a very weird formula. It stays frickin' forever. There is a little bit of a sticky, tacky feeling once it dries, so it doesn't get on anything, but like if you were to go like that, it's a little weird. Still my favorite. And I really love the paddle, because there's like a tip at the end so you can line it. So I like to line with the tip, and then fill in with the paddle. Ooh, is that not freaking gorgeous? Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so in love with, I'm just so in love with fall right now. So those are my 3 easy ways to wear a berry lipstick, and hopefully you have learned something new today. If not, maybe you just got inspired to do something maybe you haven't done in a while. I know that I'm not wearing lipstick right now on the regular because of COVID and wearing a mask, but you know what? I'm around the house and I'm not wearing a mask, and I'm gonna wear my bold lip. So hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.